Prahlada Maharaja was an exalted devotee of Lord Vishnu. His heart was always filled with thoughts of Lord Krishna. He was uninterested in childish playthings. He had full control of his senses and mind. He was free from material desires and pride. He preached Krishna consciousness in school, and by his instructions, all his class friends, the sons of the ASURAS, became devotees like him. Meditating on the Supreme Lord, he remained undisturbed and fearless when being tormented by his demoniac father, Hiranyakashipu. He was peaceful, kind, sober, wise, and of steady intelligence and determination.